You got to this point because of your life choices that were not clean.
A doctor, an entrepreneur, an author, and an actress. Maricar appeared in almost 30 television shows and 15 films. Pero bago pa man maging award-winning actress si Maricar, kilala na siya sa pagiging TV and print ad model, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, maging sa Southeast Asia. Taong 2009 nang manalo siya bilang Best New Female TV Personality sa PMPC Star Awards for Television at Best Actress naman taong 2011 sa Cinema One Originals. With everything that she went through 13 years after the scandal, she is finally breaking her silence in her self-titled book and bears what's really inside her heart.
So sobrang hati-hati yung oras ko, hindi rin ako nakafocus. So,
Pero alam mo, may sinabi ka dito sa book na ngayon ko lang siguro talaga fully na-encounter na may nagsabi na I'm this type of person, yung phlegmatic kid. Ano yung phlegmatic kid?
para siyang quiet. In a way, passive. More of siya yung follower. So, hindi ako masyado sanay actually sa term na phlegmatic, but that's the correct term, that's why I wrote it in the book. Usually, we go with parang gentle, supportive.
You would keep your feelings to yourself because you don't want conflict and confrontation.
Yes.
So kahit na hindi mo gusto ang isang bagay, tinitiis mo. Kasi
Yes.
di ba may incident dito na ang sakit na pala ng paa mo, nagkasugat-sugat pero tiniis mo tapos nagulat na lang ang mami mo na sugat-sugat yung paa mo.
Oo, na hindi ako nagsalita. Nakakatawa, pinasa mo talaga.
Cover to cover.
Oh, yeah.
So personality mo na yon nung bata ka. Hindi ka masalita.
Yeah, in general, oo.
Eh di ang hirap nung pumasok ka sa showbiz. Kasi yung showbiz kailangan extrovert personality mo.
Yes.
Yung hi!
Yeah,
Grabe yung nangyari agad.
yeah.
An
Pinapakilala mo pa lang
entrepreneur,
halos
an
yung
author,
sarili
and
mo.
an actress.
Tapos may nangyari.
Maricar appeared in almost
Na
bago pa
talagang
man maging
life-changing.
award-winning actress
Unexpected, sobra.
world-shattering.
Parang, oh my God.
si Maricar,
diba?
kilala na siya sa pagiging TV and
2009
print ad model,
was that
hindi lang sa
incident.
Pilipinas, maging sa
Correct.
Southeast Asia.
That started in the internet. Sabi mo
Taong
dito sa book
2009,
na to,
nang manalo
you
siya
were
bilang
in
Best
Subic,
New Female TV
nagka-triathlon ka.
Personality sa
Actually, sobra akong top of the world. I had a serye na part ako ng main cast. Lovers in Paris yun, nagtitape na kami, hindi pa sila umi-ere. I just came from taping, I went straight to the race.
Triathlon.
Tapos nag-race ako, tapos maganda yung time ko, ang saya-saya. Parang everything was looking good. Tapos biglang hatak. Oo, yun. I tell.
13 years after the
Showbiz
scandal,
friend or
she
Ano
is
siya,
finally
friend ko from the gym. Nag-gym ako nun for the triathlon.
breaking her
Ano kanya
silence
sinabi
in her
sa'yo?
Sabi niya,
self-titled
uy,
book.
alam mo parang may meron ako nakita sa tabloid, tapos hindi ko alam kung totoo. Alam mo ba to? Tapos ako, I laughed it off kasi I'm like, hindi yan. Ito kasama talaga to ng showbiz. Hindi yan. Ganun. Tapos, nung agent ko na yung tumawag, sabi niya, Car, merong I had to watch it because I had to make sure if it's you. Doon siya nag-zoom.
And
Parang
bears what's
binuhusan ka na
really
ng
inside her heart.
Malamig na tubig na
Totoo.
parang.
Alam mo yung sa movies, yung
Nag-blur.
biglang, yung biglang, tug, 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 tug. Kung gagawin mo siyang eksena, parang ganun. Parang nag-quiet lahat ng paligid. Siguro kasi it's still denial. May disbelief. Yun. So sobrang
Wala kang
hati-hati
kinausap
yung
mo
oras ko.
on the way
Hindi
home?
rin ako nakafocus.
Pero yung phone mo,
Oo.
non-stop na.
Plup, 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 plup. Sinilent ko na lang siya. Just drive. So I was just staring at the road.
Disbelief.
Sa part of me na may hope na baka hindi to totoo. Baka hindi ako. May ganun.
Sana hindi totoo. So, nung nakauwi ka, ano nangyari?
So I put my things down. I went up. Didn't see anybody. Buti lang wala akong kasabay sa elevator kasi I lived in a building. And then, yun. Humiga na lang ako. Hindi ako nag-open ng ilaw. Yun. Humiga na lang ako.
Traumatic yung experience na yun eh.
I think so. And I think siguro sa sobrang hindi kaya ng utak ko,
I-process.
shut down na lang siya.
Yes.
Parang ganun. I actually don't remember when I cried. Siguro, ang tagal. Kung kailan ko siya iniyak. Kasi nakapag-work pa ako eh. Meron pa akong taping like a day or two after.
Nag-taping ka pa?
Yun yung Precious Hearts. I was currently doing Precious Hearts.
Ang hirap nun na wala kang peace. I hated everyone who watched, shared, made nasty comments, insensitive jokes, or had anything to do with the spread of the video, now absolutely everything was ruined. I was ruined. My life is ruined. You think that was the end of you?
Oo. Kasi when I stopped taping, I stopped working. So you're at home. You're not doing anything. So yun, doon na talaga siya.
So sino ka nakausap mo during yung time na yun?
Family ko, brother ko. Yun, doon talaga nag-step up. Yung kuya ko talaga, panalo siya. He was one of the, if not the first person I called. Just wait. I will. Nasa CDO siya. Nasa province siya at the time. So he said, I'll fly there. I'll help you. Kasi kailangan mo rin ng funny sa family ko. We don't talk about it. I think kasi hindi namin kaya.
Even parents mo?
Oo. Hindi namin kaya. Years later naman, yung may mga nagkikwento sa akin na yung my dad tried to fix it. Pero wala Hindi mo siya maaagapan. When it's out, it's out.
So there was at one point in your life that you said, it's also in the book, I thought about suicide. I fantasized how the world will feel sorry for being so mean to me. Suicide would be both my relief and my vengeance.
So, yung time na yun, nung nandun ako sa house, dun siya, all these thoughts. Parang dun na siya talaga nag-sink in na totoo to. There's no way that you can retract this. You cannot get back what you lost. Parang shucks, ang unfair.
May tanong ka, di ba?
Oo. And why now? Ang ganda-ganda ng life ko.
Yung career
It
ko
was going
nagsisimula.
up. So ako parang, ano pa naman to? That's why. Yun nga, kaya ako naisip din yung suicide. Kasi parang wala na akong way para gumante.
Just to
Kasi,
end the pain.
Yeah, we
and the
went-
humiliation.
And the humiliation. I think it was more of the shame. Shame sa sarili. Causing shame to others that you love. Siyempre, pag naro-romanticize mo siya, but yun nga, when I really think about it, I went through it dyan sa book, dinescribe ko na
Yes.
how my family would react. Parang mas lalong hindi fair sa kanila.
Ano ba yung dapat namin nagawa para na-stop namin to? And what they will go through after it.
Yeah.
Ano yung hikikomori?
Yun.
Hikikomori. You talked about it in the book.
So it's a Japanese term for a person na parang nag-recluse. Parang hindi na siya, ayaw na niya sumabay sa society. Usually these people, they stay in their room. They don't know night and day. They close their curtains. Gusto ko kasi yung ganon, yung parang makulong sa isang place. Kasi hindi na ako lalabas. Parang yun yung alternative ko to suicide. Magtatrabaho na lang ako, ililikom ako ng pera from showbiz. Mag-e-escape na ako. Para the world can forget about me and I will forget about the world. Parang ganon. Oo.
Kasi there's one point that when you were talking to Mr. M, sabi niya, makita nila na you were a talented actress, you're a good actress. Doon mo finocus yung buong energy. Kasi you were talking about it dun sa chapter ng the coping. Ayan na.
It's really doing the next thing na kailangan mong gawin. Work really helps. Having responsibility na alam ko na people on the set would be depending on me to show up. In a way, parang kailangan ko din buhayin yung sarili ko. Kasi at the time, hindi na ako dependent sa parents ko. And I didn't want to be a freeloader sa kanila for the whole time.
Meron ka sinabi dito, I didn't want to be recognized as Maricar Reyes.
Yeah.
When you would go out sa mall, sa mga public shows, small tours.
I mean, I didn't want to be irritated with people, pero
Nainis ka
naiinis
dahil...
ako kasi parang, bakit mo ako nakikilala? Of course, nakikilala ka, you're on TV. But of course, at the time, syempre,
Ang iba yung nasa isip mo.
Oo.
Kaya ka kilala dahil dun sa...
pag heartbroken ka, nakikita mo lang yung problema mo eh.
May sinabi ka din dito, ang ganda. Laughter can hide a heavy heart, but when laughter ends, the grief remains. Tama yan. So, ganun ka lagi.
Ganun ako.
Pura na
parang-
face?
Yeah. I mean, I think on the set, you try to be professional. Pero yun nga, pag uwi ko, or anytime I'm reminded that it's real, yun.
When was that one time na nag-breakdown ka?
Merong mga 2 or 3 instances where it was really bad na pag uwi ko, tapos ako lang yung nasa house, and then siguro alam ko na wala akong taping the next day or so I had a few days off. The reality would crash on you eh. It's parang, yun na naman, magtatanong ka na naman, bakit ako? Tapos bakit ba, kahit anong ma-achieve ko, it's not enough to remove this heaviness. Yun siya. Parang hindi pa rin siya natatanggal. Akala ko okay na. I mean, I was getting endorsements, I was getting more shows, people were respecting my work ethic. Bakit mabigat pa rin? Bakit pa rin ako nahihiya? So yun ang hindi ko magets.
Nothing was filling the void.
Yeah. Nothing was solving the problem.
Nothing was healing you.
Yeah.
You think pag busy ka na, di ba? Pag when you're going through pain, bibisi ko lang yung sarili ko.
Time will heal all
wounds.
Nakailang years na.
Bukas
When
pa
did
rin
I
yung
think
sugat.
Mukha namang okay na lahat. But ako
Nag-move
hindi
on na
pa
lahat.
ako okay. But I looked okay.
You got to this point because of your life choices that were not clean. So parang, it was very hard to take, very painful. Pero what's nice when God talks to you, it's painful, pero magaan. Para akong
Humbling.
gumaan. Oh, humbling siya.
Because He opposes the proud.
Sobra.
Sometimes kasi, di ba, we're so proud when you approach Him. But He wants someone whose heart is, you
Correct.
know,
Correct.
Yun yung hindi ko nakikita. Parang feel na feel ko talaga na impressive ako on paper.
you're a
But that's-
doctor.
yeah.
Yeah.
But that's what everybody sees. Ang nakikita niya, heart ko. Kasi hindi niya talaga gusto yung nakikita sa loob. So doon ako na-break. Even when I remember that moment now, it really breaks me. Kasi it doesn't break me so much na nakikita niya na masama ako. What really breaks me is yung mahal niya ako kahit ganun ako. Every time I remember that, I'm like, oh my God, I don't deserve that. I don't deserve na mahalin mo ko ng ganun. Pero in order for me to appreciate that, I had to see my heart first. Tapos yun. Yun yung pinaka-turning point ko.
He loves you.
Yeah. He loves me at my worst. Parang pinaramdam niya rin sa akin na the whole time that you were doing all these things that I didn't like, I was there. Naaalala ko din na parang, at times, I remember you tried to talk to me. Tried to stop me from making those bad decisions. Pero hindi kita kilala. Hindi ko alam ang boses mo.
Hindi mo kasi siya pakilala, kaya hindi mo alam na boses pala niya yun.
Pero, but he tried.
Kasi di ba at one point in your life, you thought nobody's gonna love you.
Yeah.
You thought na yung magpapakasal sa'yo, yun na lang nandun sa video. You thought that you didn't deserve anyone.
Nung pinakinggan ko yun, nalulungkot ako kasi in a way, I guess it would make sense if you only had, this playing field to look at. Walang ibang angulo. I have to accept that as part of his plan for me, kung ganun man.
Pero dumating si Richard.
Dumating si Richard.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.
Tumatalon agad pag meron siya